ब्रह्मानंदं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षीभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Salutations to the true Guru, who is the embodiment of the bliss of Brahman and the bestower of supreme happiness, who is detached, knowledge personified, and beyond duality, who is like the sky and is indicated by such Vedic dicta as thou art that, and who is one, eternal, pure, immovable, the witness of all the changes in the buddhi or intellect, beyond all states, and devoid of the three gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas, the components of prakriti or primal energy. English translations of letters of most revered Swami Gyananandaji, published in Hindi version of Gahan Anand Chintan, are presented here. This is the translation of Sanskrit letter translated into English and appearing on pages 93 and 94 of the Hindi edition of Gahan Anand Chintan. Blessed Mother, your letter of 5th May, sent on the address of Ramakrishna Mutt situated in Kankudgachi, Yogodhyan Lane, reached me on 5th July. At the end of your letter, you have written that you are an expert in Hindi, Sanskrit, and English languages. But I am not that expert. I am able to converse and write letters in Bangla and English with some effort. I can read Hindi, Sanskrit, and Oriya also with some effort. But I am able to reply to letters written by devotees and disciples in Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Oriya, etc. only after these have been got translated by the sannyasis and brahmacharis here who know these languages. It is only after getting the answers written that I am able to sign letters to be sent. The topics on which you have written appear to be appropriate. You are really very lucky that your Ishta Devata has accepted you from amidst a group of 100 crore people and given you the privilege of chanting the mantra of his name. Definitely, it is an indicator of your good luck. But in your letter, what you wrote about your attachment to worldly things, I didn't like it. You are aware of his greatness, present ubiquitously throughout the world, whose one gracious glance can dispel dross accumulated through thousands of yugas in a moment, just as a lighted candle can remove in an instant the darkness prevailing for thousands of years. Just my teachings alone are not going to serve your purpose. Find time at intervals and read the 9 volumes of the complete works of Swami Vivekananda, and also devote your mind to reading the scriptures like the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Perform your daily chores considering them to be the worship of the divine. This will purify all your samskaras, and your mind will also become meditative. You will become eligible for the vision of the Divine Lord. For the collective welfare of all of you, I keep praying at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Dev every day. With my blessings, affectionately, Swami Gyanananda. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.